Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation x squared plus 6x plus 6 over x plus 6 plus x squared plus 7x plus 7 over x plus 7 plus x squared plus 8x plus 8 over x plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 3. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. From these two terms we can factor out x. In bracket left x plus 6 plus 6 divided by x plus 6 plus in the same way this will become x times x plus 7 plus 7 divided by x plus 7 plus this will become x times x plus 8 plus 8 divided by x plus 8 equal to 3 times x plus 3. Now this expression can be written as x times x plus 6 divided by x plus 6 plus 6 divided by x plus 6 plus this can be written as x times x plus 7 divided by x plus 7 plus 7 divided by x plus 7 plus this can be written as x times x plus 8 divided by x plus 8 plus 8 divided by x plus 8 equal to this expression 3 times x plus 3. Now this x plus 6 will be cancelled out, this x plus 7 will be cancelled out, and this x plus 8 will be cancelled out, and we are left with x plus 6 over x plus 6 plus x plus 7 over x plus 7 plus x plus 8 over x plus 8 equal to 3 times x plus 3. This x plus this x plus this x will become 3 times x plus 6 over x plus 6 plus 7 over x plus 7 plus 8 over x plus 8 equal to 3 times x plus 3. And we subtract 3x from both sides, so this cancelled out and this cancelled out. We are left with 6 over x plus 6 plus 7 over x plus 7 plus 8 over x plus 8 equal to this 3 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1. Move these 3 terms to the right hand side, then this will become 1 minus 6 over x plus 6 plus 1 minus 7 over x plus 7 plus 1 minus 8 over x plus 8 equal to 0. Now we can write the denominator of this 1 and take LCM of 1 and x plus 6. LCM of 1 and x plus 6 is x plus 6. So this will become x plus 6 minus 6. In the same way we can write the denominator 1 and take LCM of 1 and x plus 7. LCM is x plus 7. So this will become x plus 7 minus 7. Plus you can write the denominator of this 1 and take LCM of x plus 8 and 1. LCM is x plus 8, so this will become x plus 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Now this negative 8 and positive 8 cancelled out, negative 7 and positive 7 cancelled out, negative 6 and positive 6 will be cancelled out, and we are left with x divided by x plus 6 plus x divided by x plus 7 plus x divided by x plus 8 equal to 0. Now from these three terms we can factor out x. In bracket left 1 over x plus 6 plus 1 over x plus 7 plus 1 over x plus 8 equal to 0. Either this expression x is equal to 0 or this expression 1 over x plus 6 plus 1 over x plus 7 plus 1 over x plus 8 equal to 0. This is the first value of x. This is the first solution of this equation, and from this equation we can rewrite this equation as 1 over x plus 7 minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 7 plus 1 over x plus 7 plus 1 equal to 0. And we suppose that let x plus 7 equal to t. So this equation will become 1 over t minus 1 plus 1 over t plus 1 over t plus 1 equal to 0. Now we take the LCM of these three denominators. The LCM of these three denominators is t times t minus 1 times t plus 1. When we divide this LCM by this t minus 1, we get t times t plus 1, plus when we divide this LCM by t, we get t minus 1 times t plus 1, plus when we divide this LCM by t plus 1, we get t times t minus 1 equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become t times t squared, t times 1 plus t, and t minus 1 times t plus 1 will become plus t squared minus 1, plus distribute this t times t is t squared, and t times negative 1 negative t divided by this t times t minus 1 times t plus 1 will become t squared minus 1 equal to 0. Now this negative t will be cancelled out with this positive t, and t squared plus t squared will become 3 times t squared minus 1, and if we multiply both sides by this denominator t times t squared minus 1, then this will disappear, it becomes 0. So this will be equal to 0, and move this negative 1 to the right hand side, this will become 3 times t squared equal to 1. If we divide both sides by 3, this implies that t squared equal to 1 over 3. Now if we take a square root of both sides, this implies that t is equal to plus minus root 1 over 3, and this is same as t is equal to plus minus root 1 is 1 divided by root 3. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide by root 3. So this will become t is equal to plus or minus 1 times root 3 is root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3 will become 3. And to find the values of x, recall that x plus 7 equal to t. Recall that x plus 7 equal to t. Since t is equal to plus minus root 3 over t, so x will be equal to negative 7 plus minus root 3 over 3. And first we found that x is equal to 0. This is first and this is second and third. So we have 3 solutions for this equation: 0 and negative 7 plus minus root 3 over 3.